My name is Martin and this is my brother Ryu. Say hi!
Hi.
So today we're going to unbox this Avengers Legends Gear Hammerhead.
Yes, I'm ahead.
It's not made by Hot Toys 160 Collectibles.
Wow, that's cool.
But it's made by HASBRO Toys Action Figures.
Bigger.
Yes. We usually open Hot Toys, but it's different. It's different this time.
Oh my!
It's hard.
Yes, it's hard. Big, it's a brown box.
I see.
Let me fold it from the Ooh! So it's
Wow.
it says Hammerhead, but it's actually the Nano Gauntlet. The Power Gauntlet. It says here. So let's open it.
Let's see what's inside there, Machine.
What?
Let's see what's inside there, Happy.
This is the bottom part. I don't think there's anything there.
Yeah, this is a board, guys.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh!
Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
Bigger. Bigger.
Wait.
Oh my!
I know this. I'm looking.
Take out the plastic.
It's hard. I'm still checking it out. Ryu.
No, other hand. Ryu, other hand.
Wait. Me first.
You're right.
What up? It's me waiting.
Yes.
Like this. I don't quite know how to
Slowly.
works.
Okay.
Is it a light up? Does it light up?
So, there is no manual.
There might be.
There's no manual here. And
What? Yeah.
there. There's manual. Gosh.
My mom does not. Let's see what's here. That one.
So there's a lock to lock the display mode. Meaning to lock. Oh, there's a battery. Oh, you can put the battery on it.
Oh.
But let me
Let
check.
go of the lock.
Yeah. Where are you? Oh no.
They do it.
Wait a moment. No, not there. Later. Inside it. Yeah, so let's put the batteries first.
Yay.
Right, so.
I do it.
Oh, wait.
I have you.
Yeah.
I have you. I have you.
Wait.
I have you.
Oh, yun na, hold mo na. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, so get the double A batteries. Batteries.
3 AA
Okay, so it's 3 pieces.
of AA.
Double A batteries. Oh, wow! That's amazing.
You press the Mind Stone. It will turn on. Then there will be sounds.
Okay.
Make sound for you.
There you go, guys. You can see right there. You're going.
Take this person doing that.
Oh, okay. So this is the turn on button.
Yeah, the button to turn it on. So it's just temporary. It's just temporary for the light.
No, it's not temporary. When you hold it, yeah, maybe for 5 seconds. Yeah, it will turn it off. Yes, guys. Did you see that?
Let's see it.
Yeah, actually, I think it. Yeah, see?
Well, there's 2 ways of turning it on.
Yes.
Oh!
I think this is not a switch. It's like for making that sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you wanna hear that sound.
For the sound.
And also, also you can here you can lock those fingers So, wait. And even the thumb. So there you go.
Whoa.
So you hear that? So it has different sounds. So you can lock this one from this part, and you can lock and unlock. So once we
Push it
unlock,
up.
push
Push
it up.
it up to unlock.
And do it.
Oh, you didn't say anything. No, wait. No, I think you have to wear it. And then once you close all that fingers,
So like you unlock something.
yeah, there's like different sound.
It's a
So
beautiful.
again, push it up to unlock.
Push it
Yeah.
down to lock.
Yes.
You have to close it first. What?
Okay, so that's the look, how it looks like, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. So, guys, the quality of this gauntlet, the material, of course, very HASBRO, you know,
Yeah.
plastic, you know, maybe it's easy to break. Well, not really easy, but at least,
Yeah.
you know, can be, you know, once you drop, of course, or if you smash it, yeah, of course it will easily break. But you know, for just playing, it's okay, it's fine. For display too at the same time, maybe the paint job is not as red,
As movie accurate.
not
it's
really
so
as movie accurate, but then the color is not that bright, it's not that
It's
really
like
strong.
shiny.
Shiny.
Yeah, so this one is like, yeah, you can see it's very plastic once you look at it. And yeah, of course, something like, not really movie accurate.
No, yes.
And what else? Yeah, I think yeah, that's it. And then yeah, you can see the underneath inside. You're going to move those fingers, just pull it, plastic string like that you can pull, right? Rio?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. How about you, Rio? What can you say about this this gauntlet? What can you say?
You got it and then you press this one and close it. And like this and close it. Just, and the battery and then the bird.
Oh, okay. Nice. Good job, Rio.
Good
How
job.
about you, Martin? Okay, how about you, Martin?
The stone's color is more realistic than the color of the gauntlet. It's more like movie accurate, not really. It's more, yeah. Because this one, it doesn't have the shine of the like gauntlet, and it doesn't have. I don't think there's. I think there's supposed to be like more silver, or is it only over here?
That's the real color of that in the movie, anak.
What?
But it's not that really. The paint job is not that really, because it's different quality. So maybe, yeah.
I don't really know if the movie has these things.
Maybe it has. So maybe, but
Yeah.
it's good for playing, guys. It's like for cosplaying. Maybe for doing if you're going to cosplay
But
Iron Man or.
like, it's not really easy for the kids to use it because in the inside it's like it hurts when you like close it.
Yeah, so that's why it's only for adults.
But you can also buy kid in other shops. Kid version.
Yes. You try it, Ryu. You try to wear it first. Ryu first. Wow.
Go. Close.
Just do it.
You can do it. Oh no. How about Kuya? Yeah.
I can't really. It's hard for me to do the thumbs.
It's okay. Yeah.
Drinking.
And then yeah, of course you can hear those.
One, two, one.
Or Spider-Man.
So you can see those. You can hear those quicks. Every finger, right? It's like very robotic.
That really hurts. It really hurts, especially in the middle.
You guys,
So I think that's all.
that's how it looks like, guys. There you go. Ta-da. No! No!
He's stealing your soul.
Okay, so I think that's it, guys. That's it. So, what are you gonna say to them, Martin and Rio?
Oh my God.
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like. And goodbye.
Yeah, subscribe, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out. What are you saying? Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Don't forget.
Yes.
Don't forget.
Yes.
Don't forget
Don't forget.
to subscribe.
Cry.
Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget.
Don't forget. Cry.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah. High five.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah. Ease.
This.
So it needs a...
Three AA batteries.
Yeah, 3 pieces of AA batteries. It's in here. Because I forgot to press the record button, so